Hi friends, how are you? This is a marble grout approved for ceramic tiles, floor tiles, face tiles, wall tiles, and marble tiles, granite tiles, manufactured super marble filling company, Karachi, Pakistan. We use this for marble filling. This is a gray color cement. This is sponge. These are marble filling. This way we fill. These are बंद कर दें.